So ito po ang aming pagkalagin mo po is dito ka mapupunta, like kung admin ka or teacher or student. Then pagkatapos po mo pumindot dyan is mapupunta ka po dito sa bandang admin panel. Ito po yung admin panel namin, which is makikita mo dito yung mga users, reports, and tasks. Manage, pwede ka din dito mag-edit ng mga manage users, reports, settings, and logout. Tapos dito po yung teachers panel. Dito po is pwede po mag-sign ng assignments. Makikita mo din po dito yung mga naka-enroll. Kung ilan po yung naka-enroll na estudyante, din message po nila, mga comments, ganun. Tapos upcoming meetings, like kung magpapa-meeting po, pwede po dito mag-schedule ng mga meetings. So, dito po sa student panel, dito po makikita yung mga subject, courses, upcoming assignments, grade, and messages. Dito po yung makikita yung mga message po ng teachers, grades, yung kung ilan yung nakuha mo dun sa activities, ganun.
Dito sa student panel, dito mo makikita yung mga course na na-enroll mo na, tas mga upcoming assignments na kailangan mong gawin, tas yung progress ng grades mo, tas yung message ng professor mo sa'yo. Dito naman sa admin panel, sa user management, pwede kang mag-add dito, edit, delete, or mag-update ng mga user na gumagamit ng app mo. Dito naman sa reports, dito ka mag-add, edit, delete, or update ng mga activity, ganun. Sa settings naman, ganun din. Tas dito sa teacher panel, dito mag-add yung professor mo ng activities, assignments, ganun. Tas dito naman sa student panel, dito mo makikita yung activities mo na binigay ng professor, mga assignments. Tas makikita mo din yung grade mo dito. Tas yung mga message na pwede mo ding mag-add ng submission mo ng activities, assignments, ganun.
The school dashboard, you can see the registered users. In teachers, we have 10 users, also 8 subjects, and 120 student users. You can also see the class list under mathematics subject. You can also search the student name in here, which will show the student name and student ID. This is called the registered users class list. The next one, you can see the grade sheet under mathematics subject. It's shown the midterm grade and final, also the average. We also have activity logs and backup and restore, which we go to the admin. It's shown the backup and restore, backup database, and import database. Simulate user actions. You choose admin, student, or teacher. Log in, log out, add, edit, delete, and update. It will show this one, the activity logs under this. That's all. Thank you.